To convert one cryptocurrency into another on MEXC, start by opening the MEXC website and navigating to the Spot section. This will take you to the Spot Trader page, where you can view various cryptocurrency pairs. Select the cryptocurrency you currently own, such as USDT, Ethereum, or Bitcoin, and choose the pair you want to trade with. For example, if you have XRP and want to trade it for Bitcoin, search for the XRP Bitcoin pair and select it to open the corresponding trader page. To initiate the conversion, scroll down and choose either to buy or sell the chosen cryptocurrency. If selling, fill in the amount you want to sell, and the equivalent amount of the other cryptocurrency will be displayed. Once you confirm the sale, the conversion will be complete. This process can be applied to any cryptocurrency available on MEXC.